What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're fishing the bay this morning, but not the San Francisco Bay. We're actually in San Diego fishing Mission Bay right now. I'm currently staying in a hotel right over there. Show you guys. Right over there. And I've snuck out for a quick morning fishing session. Got my little travel rod here. Never fished here before, but we're gonna see if we can make it happen. I watched a couple YouTube videos. Basically what I'm gonna do is I got a little jig head here. I think this is like 1/6 ounce, something like that. And I'm gonna put a little swim bait on here, basically a little bay fish imitation. I actually used this previously for rockfish back in my home waters, and I don't see why it wouldn't work here. So I think we got some spotted bay bass, calico bass, and sand bass in here, for what I read online, and maybe some halibut. But like I said, fishing a new area, we never really know what we're gonna catch. Start off with a little bay fish imitation. That's what there it is right there. And I'm gonna cast this around. We're on kind of a little point here on the rocks. We'll cast it around and see if we can get anything to bite. Alright, let's see what we can do. Oh, I had one. That was a bite for sure. I don't know if you guys can see that bird off in the distance, but he literally just swooped down and snatched a fish right there. Like literally like maybe 4 feet from shore. Now he's carrying it off to I don't know where. I think it's an osprey. At least I know that there's fish here. I wish I would have had the camera rolling. He literally was sitting in this little palm tree right here, swooped down, boom, right there, just snatched, I don't know, it looked like a little bay bass, sand bass or calico bass, something like that, right off the rocks here. But it happened so quickly, I didn't even have the camera rolling. Alright, no luck here. Let's try a new spot. Alright, we left the osprey spot. He could catch one there, but I couldn't. So we found a new little spot. We're underneath a bridge now, that you can see right over here. And the current's flowing this way. So what we've got here is right where this bridge piling is. There's a little eddy right behind it. And I don't know for sure, but I think there might be a fish hanging out right here, waiting for an easy meal. So we're gonna toss this same little swim bait right in there, see if we can make it happen. Any luck? Not yet. How about you guys? Yeah. There we go. There's one. Doesn't feel very big. Alright. There we go. Alright, well I moved back from the bridge spot back to the first spot where I first started today. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is a sand bass. Definitely not a giant, but it is a fish, our first fish of the day. This is probably what I got a bite of earlier this morning too. Still throwing that little swim bait. I think these fish get a lot bigger, but this is our first San Diego fish. Let me know in the comments, is this a sand bass? What is this? Alright, we'll get a release on this guy. Oh, check that out. The GoPro might be picking it up, maybe or maybe not, but there's a little orange fish down there which stands out incredibly. Terrible camouflage. That's actually a Garibaldi, which is the state fish of California, and you cannot keep those. And not that we'd want to either. I don't even think they eat fish. I think their main diet is like seaweed and other vegetation. So I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but right in there in the rocks. I think it's hunting around in the rocks for seaweed and stuff. Alright guys, that's going to finish it for the morning session. Only caught one little, I think it was a sand bass. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. But I'm going to try to come out here either this evening or tomorrow morning and finish up this video. We'll see you there. So this is called a drop shot. See how the weight's on the bottom? And then the bait's up a little bit. So you can either cast it or just let it drift. But you want to get it down to the bottom. And then just bounce the weight off the bottom.
The whole time?
Yeah. Or you can cast out and like drag it along the bottom. It should be mostly sand here, so you shouldn't have to worry about getting snagged.
Shot my butt.
Yeah, we are trying to drop shot a butt.
We are?
Yeah, halibut.
Halibut? Okay, hold on.
Yep.
Hold on.
Yeah, there's one on here.
Is that my pole or yours?
It's mine. You want to bring it in?
No.
Here, you bring it in.
No, it's okay. I'll catch another one.
Okay. It's not big.
Were you trolling?
Yeah.
So exciting. I picked this spot. Oh yeah, I think I saw it. Yeah. It's a little guy.
Oh, it's a barracuda.
Okay. Oh, hi. It's a baby, huh?
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
That's a bear. Watch out. These have teeth. Oh.
They're spiky, huh?
Baby barracuda.
Do you eat these when they're bigger? Or
Yeah,
no?
some people do. I've heard they're not very good, but.
Hi, baby. It's slimy. It's a slimy guy. Put him back.
Alright.
Hi.
Oh, wait. I think you got one.
Did I?
Yeah, you got one.
Have fun. I think it's small.
Yeah, I don't know how big it is.
I have one. It's little, I think.
It's on the Eliminator. That's what that lure is called.
How do I have?
Oh, it's a halibut.
It's a halibut.
Okay, hold it. Don't bring it out of the water.
Okay.
Don't just swing it.
I got a halibut.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna swing it in.
A halibut.
I don't know.
Baby.
It might come off.
Okay. Hi, baby. Let's feel this one. See, that's not a slimy.
See, look, you barely got it.
Oh, is that in the eye?
No.
Hi, baby. Oh.
Take a picture.
Adam, I caught a halibut.
Yeah.
I caught one before you.
Yeah, I know it. Ready? It's gonna shoot off.
Wow, it goes fast. It goes fast. It went way faster than the barracuda.
Yeah, they're a lot stronger. Yeah, you got a massive piece of seaweed.
That's why it was so heavy.
And just swing it. This is literally huge.
I got the biggest piece.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. First time for me, first time catching that barracuda, and first time catching, I think it was a bay bass. Please correct me in the comments if I was wrong. And I think actually it was my wife's first halibut, so shout out to her as well. So this is actually day 2 the next morning, about to film the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. And just to give you a little sneak peek of what we got going on here. Yeah, it involves this guy right here. So stay tuned for that video. Other than that, thank you guys for watching this one, and we'll see you next time.